Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Brad coming today from the Airstream with something that might change the way you camp with coffee. It's a total must-have for your next camping adventure. If you're into van camping, car camping, tent camping, or backpacking, you know that space and weight are a premium. But lugging a big coffee pot? No thanks. That's where this system comes in. They sent us this whole system to test in a recent camper van trip, and this setup is pure magic for lightweight, portable brewing. Stick around and I'll show you why this is your new go-to for coffee in the wild. Let's dive in. This right here is the CAFORA Brew Pod. It's a K-Cup compatible coffee maker that weighs just 0.6 pounds and brews a whole cup in about a minute. It's designed for tent camping, van camping, backpacking, or even bike packing and fishing trips. We recently took it on a camper van trip and it fit right into our tiny little setup. No muss, no fuss. It charges right here with a USB-C capable device, so you can plug it into your power bank in your vehicle, or your battery pack that you carry with you, or even your solar setup. Plus, it comes with this really cool drawstring pouch here to keep it safe, hanging from your backpack or hanging from something else you have going on. Plus, there's soon to be an optional soft case for extra protection if you're tossing it in your gear. Let's talk about coffee. CAFORA sent us these coffee pods made by Specialty Java, and these are a big deal. They're compostable, so you're not leaving plastic waste in the wilderness. Perfect for us eco-conscious campers. The dark roast we tried was bold and rich, exactly what you need to fuel a sunrise hike or a chilly morning by the tent. And the brew pod here just isn't for coffee. It handles tea, hot chocolate, anything else hot. So whether I want to sip herbal tea or I'm craving cocoa after a long day, this thing's got you covered. They also have ground coffee that is equally delicious, but I've already drank all that and I have no more to display here. And this yellow silicone pad, it's small but a genius feature. If you're brewing back-to-back cups here, this thing gets pretty warm, and this is just to take it off. Just like that, so you don't burn your fingers. Picture this. We're in a camper van, parked in a remote spot with nothing but stars and silence. I pull out the brew pod, pop in a Joe coffee pod, and in 1 minute, I've got a steaming mug of beautiful dark roast. Blair's brewing hers, Piper's curled up on the bed, and we're just soaking up the moment. If you're someone who prefers the standard coffee style, they also have their own ground roast, ground coffee beans here, just plain beans. And you have these little filters right here that go inside your metal container, and this hooks in there just like one of their other cups does, or a K-Cup does. And they have these really nice coffee mugs. So I prefer a big tall cup every morning. Blair is a smaller cup every morning. So we're going to check those out and tell you what's up. So the way this works is, once your water is hot from your whatever source you use, we're going to turn this on here. So I push the small button. The top of the screen lights up, and it's good for 150, 170 cups, so it's not something you need to do again for a long time. But this hose goes into your hot water. It tells me what my water temperature is: 150, 160, 170, oh, it's climbing, 180, stabilizing at 188, so that's my current temperature. 200 is the max. It goes to ounces, so I'm going to go to my 14 is the most ounces I can have, and I brew. It pulls water through here, pushes it through the coffee filter, and brews my coffee. Smells good. Blair's nodding her head in approval behind the camera, and Pepper's taking her post-breakfast nap. And just like that, we have a brewed cup of coffee. Pretty nifty. Blair, would you like one?
Yeah.
Easy, easy. I need to pump you some more water. What is this? 8 ounce, 10 ounce? Cup number 2. $12-ounce cup, done. Put the legs away and power this down. And I can stow it here in my nifty little bag with a nifty little hose. Close it up, hook up my coffee for tomorrow morning. Blair likes to drink hers black. I put a little chocolate element in mine every morning. My morning electrolytes.
Cheers.
Cheers to you. Morning coffee. That's the beauty of this system. It's so light and compact, it's perfect for van life, tent camping, backpacking, or anything like that. At 0.6 pounds, it won't weigh down your pack either, and it's a lifesaver for small campers where space is tight, unlike these bigger RVs that can handle the full-size coffee gear. This thing is really built for adventure. Think hunting, picnics, or any outdoor trip where you want great coffee without the bulk. It takes just a minute to brew. It's an easy add to your gear list. All right, campers. If you're hitting the road in a van, pitching a tent, or backpacking in the wild, this CAFORA Brew Pod and these Joe Coffee Pods are your ticket to killer coffee without the wait. Grab yours at CAFORA.com. Links down below in the video description. Until next time, keep it light, keep it brewing, and keep exploring. Delicious. It's a K-cup compatible coffee. We recently took it on and it comes with this really cool drawstring pouch here to keep it safe in your backpack, the thing that you want to carry it in. Protection while you're, whether you or your
Bye.